rise and descended like flies. Put us back on the train. Back on the chain gang. Us to live like we do, bring me to my knees when I see what they've done to you. But I'll die as I stand here today, knowing that deep in my heart they'll fall to ruin one day for making us part. A picture of you. Ah, those were the happiest days of my life. Like a break in the battle was your part. Ah, in the wretched life of a lonely heart. Now we're back on the train. On the chain gang.
Oh, I still would. Right, the next one is for all the old farts, because I've mentioned him in the last record or so. Let's put a bit of Elvis Presley for you, eh?
Well, that's alright, Mama. That's alright for you. That's alright, Mama. Just any way you do it, that's alright. That's alright. That's alright, Mama, any way you do. Well, Mama, she done told me, and Papa done told me too. Son, that gal you foolin' with, she ain't no good for you. But that's alright, that's alright. That's alright, Mama, any way you do. Sure, well then you won't be bothered with me hanging round your door, but that's alright, that's alright, that's alright, now, Mama, any way you do. Ah, da da dee 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 dee. I need your loving. That's alright, that's alright.
That's my bit done for caring the community. Right, next one we're going to get a bit of Phil Collins on. This is what my missus says to me when I come out of the bog. Mr. Collins himself with I Missed Again, which I normally do. I'm going to put a tune on from one of my favourite sort of punk ska bands of the moment. This is The Skints and a tune called Ring Ring. Is it that time already? Yeah, that soon went, didn't it? Right, well, I'll probably see you next week if Simon will still have me. And I'm going to leave you with Nana Cherry and Buffalo Stance. Laters.
How melodic.
Yeah! DJ! Who's that gigolo on the street with his hands in his pockets and his crocodile feet hanging off the curb, looking on the surf as the boy no stop.